Kevin, is the differences between the Cowie STX 160 and Ultra 160? I'm asking for a family member because they don't like how the GP hull feels. Okay. What's the difference between an apple and an orange because they don't like the taste of bananas? That's what you're asking. None of those are the same. Okay. The STX is a significantly smaller hull that was designed with closed course racing in mind. It is tippy. It is your center of gravity is now higher because of the better ergonomics, the more comfy seat, which means that because of a higher saddle, you're actually going to have a higher center of gravity, which also means you're going to have a metronome effect side to side. There's no trim control on that ski, so you're always going to be a neutral trim, and when weighed down, you're going to nose plow. The STX 160 is a primitive ski. I don't care if you get the LX, it's still primitive. In comparison to a GTI 170 or a VX Cruiser HO, the STX is primitive. And I mean primitive in so many different applications. The Ultra 160, which only comes in two varieties, the 160 LX, which is every bell and whistle they can throw at it, or the Ultra 160 LXS, which is orange and black, which I think is the best, most attractive color combination available. And they put it on a ski that's effectively designed for slow speed tow sports. Reverse facing camera, it is the Ultra hull, but with the extended deck. Please watch my video on low speed rollovers and correcting oneself on the Ultra, because there are people who simply do not know how to operate a personal watercraft that isn't flat as a Mississippi barge like the ST3 Sea-Doo. So the STX is primitive and has its roots in closed course racing back in the early 2000s, and the Ultra 160 has behavior qualms but is demonstrably better than what the Ultra has been in previous generations, although stylistically I kind of wish it was a little less gaudy. Greg, you want to throw in on that?
Put a real ride plate and sponsons on the GP, and don't be afraid to squeeze the throttle.
Attaboy! Hell yeah! Send her! Yeah. Send it, son. Quit being a bitch and ride it. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.